The China-Laos Railway, a flagship Belt and Road Initiative project, recorded a robust performance in January with cross-border cargo and passenger traffic both achieving significant growth. According to Kunming's Customs in southwest China's Yunnan province, the railway transported 478,000 tons of goods in January, marking a 7% increase compared to the same period last year. Meanwhile, the number of cross-border passengers reached 29,000, representing a 63% year-on-year rise. Travelers from 112 countries and regions used the service, highlighting the railway's expanding reach. Since its launch in 2021, the China-Laos Railway has transported over 43 million passengers and moved more than 48.3 million tons of cargo.